What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're actually going to Mexico. And no, not Mexico the country, but actual Mexico. So yeah, this is gonna be a night with Blessed J. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get this video started.
They say you got flip.
Oh shit, what's good with you, bro?
You already know we got the vlog outside.
Oh, it's okay.
Hey, you know who's racing?
I think Tease is racing a truck, bro.
Yeah, he racing some truck out there, bro. This shit
I heard that shit fast, bro. We about to find out.
That shit's gonna be crazy. That shit's gonna be crazy. Dímelo, Domi.
700
Who got the pop, bro?
700 aside.
Dímelo.
What's up, boy?
How you doing, bro?
Good, bro. Good to see
seen you
you.
in a minute, cuz.
Hell yeah, good to see you, bro.
Hey, bro. You gonna be on the vlog again.
What's good, vlog? What's good, vlog?
That's crazy.
Brought the toys up tonight. Came out.
You came out with the bike?
Came out to just watch tonight.
Oh, word.
Hell yeah.
Me too.
And then what? The truck?
They locked this truck in.
700 aside.
Damn, for real? Who got the pop, bro? I'm trying to go in the pop.
That's what I'm saying.
Make it 800.
That's what I'm saying.
Back bumper on the sign, and then because if we line up bumper to bumper on the sign, like because he said back bumpers, the truck gonna be way out. So we're just gonna line front bumpers up, and his back bumper gonna be on the sign.
Did anybody else on that side want a side bet? You know? Okay.
The street's full of pizza boy.
Alright, shit.
That motherfucker gonna roll cold, bro. Hey, yo. I can't even breathe in this motherfucker, bro. I couldn't even breathe in that motherfucker, bro.
I mean, either way, right? He's gonna spin.
I mean, it's a little chilly outside, so. I got tea, bro. This is my nigga.
I don't think he's gonna grip it really well.
Yeah, because he got street tires. He got some street tires.
Shout out to the vlog, though.
Yo, you already know, bro.
Oh, he's sparking up.
We gotta celebrate. He said for the celebration.
Hey, I got my money on this car right here.
Hold on.
Damn.
Damn.
Big dog space. Now I get paid up. They need to pay me. Time to get paid, nigga.
Hey, yo.
Ronnie,
Hey, yo. Hey, bro. That was crazy as fuck, bro.
The truck slept.
No, he treated the fuck out of him.
He did treat the
Nah,
fuck out of him.
yo, T hooked though. T
He
hooked
was
pretty
out.
good.
He was out.
He was out, bro.
That reaction sounds crazy.
I told you.
That bitch is fast.
Fucking crazy.
Where he at, man? Run on top of that bitch like I said.
on that motherfucker.
Bro, I couldn't build up boost all the way. That bitch was goddamn
Fall on his face.
falling on his face.
That shit was right though. That shit was fire.
And they goddamn
That bitch started spinning like that. I was like, oh yeah, click that bitch. Oh.
King of the BMWs.
Oh wow. Nigga had like 6 cars on him at the end.
I'm hoping that bitch gonna be in my inbox. Send it to my Gmail.
That's crazy.
Where Roger at?
For real, Roger, I thought you went to the damn finish line, bro.
What's that not looking for this?
Yeah, he was like,
Nigga, he got proof.
I got it on 4K.
He got proof.
You just said that. You was just saying that.
Yo, stop recording and look for the.
Little R8.
I'm about to say, I need to teach you how to run away. That's exhaust, bro.
That truck basically don't.
Damn, I should have really put money down. I said I was gonna put money down on that motherfucker. Didn't I, bro? Hey, Matt, you gonna run it? I'm gonna run it. Did you watch the fight or not? Huh? I mean the fight. Did you watch the race? You did? Where y'all at? Where y'all at?
Right here, we're about to run.
Oh, we're up there.
Oh, where?
They about to race?
I don't know.
That's all you right there.
I know this nigga, bro. Bro, what is this nigga saying something, bro? I'm looking at that like, here you go. Saw this nigga up.
Damn. That's crazy.
Mustang or the Kia?
I'm gonna have to go with the Kia. That's my boy, bro. I'm gonna have to go with him. I mean, that bro spun like crazy.
He was feathering that bitch too.
I might let just give you your 20. I might just give you your 20.
What you got, bro?
I don't know because
I got the Beamer, bro.
I heard
got
he's
the
on
Beamer.
93, bro. It's a cat. I don't know.
Yeah, I got the Beamer, bro.
He gonna be able to hook. He gonna be able to hook. He gonna be able to hook. I don't know, guys.
If he lacks on the light, Mo doesn't sleep.
He doesn't. I'm telling you, this nigga.
Keep going.
This nigga take over on the light.
I'm telling you, lock the fuck in. So if he go,
How much? Bro, I'm telling you, 340 gonna get this. This shit quick though. If he hooks.
Hell yeah.
What got
He's about to take somebody out.
Start to rethink my decision. Hey, watch it. You bet. You go flashlight. Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
What I say, bro? What I say? What I say, bro?
Crazy.
I told you, bro.
No Diddy.
Hey, let's go. What'd you like?
My fault, bro. My fault.
I got the Hellcat.
You got the Hellcat? 20?
Hey, Roger.
I got the 340.
I'll take it. You take the
The
Hellcat?
Hellcat. Oh, I do got the Hellcat.
Bro, bet with me.
Bro, I got the
Bro,
Beamer,
come
bro.
on.
I got Beamer. I got Beamer.
That's a 20 roll.
like?
From a roll Hellcat, I ain't gonna lie.
Word? How much?
Bro. Hey,
no.
no. Let's do 20. Let's do 20. I got 340.
You got the 340?
He's gonna spin.
Don't try to take my bet. Don't try to take my bet. You and Lock come in first. Lock come in first.
No, but they doing the roll?
Whoa.
He was not in front. He was not in front. Hold on. We'll see. Hold on. I'm gonna give it to you.
That's the Hellcat, bro. Look at that video. That's the Hellcat.
I knew it.
It's real. I'm gonna bet against you. I sold. Who you got right here?
What you got?
360.
I got 20.
I got the Audi.
I got Audi.
I just know his setup already.
I got
20.
20? Nah, fuck
I just know it.
Alright, 20.
I'm not better, bro.
Alright, let's do 20. Fuck it.
You got the Q?
Yeah, I got the
Okay, man. I got the Audi.
I'm gonna be real.
Where's the Audi?
That's a 3.7, my nigga.
No, that's not.
It's too late.
But you never know, anything can happen though.
Okay, fuck it, bro. It's just a dub, bro.
Yeah, exactly, but I just lost the dub. I'm still up
He's at 25 more horsepower.
Once I saw the YouTube stick, I said, yeah, right there. And he got the gap tank. Yo, he was driving that bit like it was a Stoli.
Yeah, I'm laughing. I'm crying.
Word. Bro, that was wild, bro.
You gotta be that shit was crazy.
Same spot as the sea.
You about to run it? This Hyundai?
Yeah.
It's something.
That's where he crashed?
Same spot in the sea.
Nah, come on, you race the X3. My X3
Oh, gee, you tripping. I can't do it off a dig.
Oh, fuck, man.
Hey, I'll do it. I'm on 93 right now.
I'm on 93 also.
I just pumped 93. I'm not on E right now.
No,
I just came from the gas station.
No, my shit on 93 also. I'm not on E.
Exactly. I'm only pushing 17.
I don't know what it is. That shit on the JB4.
That's what I'm saying. I might own
Nah, fuck it. Hey,
Damn.
that shit was ass.
I'm burning out, bro.
What? What's going on, man? What's going on?
No, I got white one.
The black.
You want to bet 20?
Yeah, we bet though.
Hey.
Tell me to come straight though. Come forward. Hey, hell no!
Yeah, you got fucked up.
Damn. He slept. That boy slept, bro. OT. That's that boy Sam, the technician. Stop playing with me, bro. Let me see.
Alright, Dollar, bro. I'll see you around.
Alright, bro.
Be safe, bro.
I'll see you Tuesday.
I bet.
Hey, ask him who he's running.
Who? Him?
You said Q50, right?
No, he out. He's out. That's Alex. I think it's this one right here.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Great. Another one.
Or he might be running. He might be running T. I don't know.
I got my money on the Stinger. Talk to me.
I got my on that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my money on that one too.
What you got? I got Stinger. I got Stinger. You got Stinger?
Yo, I never seen a fast ass at launcher.
Nigga, on the second one, that Hellcat just won.
Bro, I told you, boy, he slept hella hard.
Yeah,
He slept hella hard.
He did better in the second race? Oh, word? I ain't see the second race.
Walked him, bro.
I got the white one, bro.
20.
I already got a bet.
Who you got? Damn, I'm gonna lock in with you.
Yes, sir.
Damn, that M5 was gone, boy. That M5 was gone.
I know. I do my homework.
That M5. But as soon as I saw that shit tuck, that shit, as soon as he pressed the brake and all I saw was that shit was fucking.
Yusuf.
You seen it through your phone?
Nah, it's because it's
not
downloading.
connected?
No, it's downloading.
God, you had to
I
update
had to
it?
update that bitch. I gotta follow this motherfucker. Still updating.
Fuck the ready. It's like a trick. And ready shit, that shit's the murder. Right? It's just boom, boom, boom. Oh, I'm sorry, bro.
Oh my god.
They
This
didn't
shit
update?
taking forever,
I mean, we
bro.
ain't got no good signal out here. I'm gonna be honest with you.
What Q50 he brings?
The one behind him.
Where he at?
I actually got 500 horsepower, the 340. As far as this, accurate. You gotta think about it, bro. He's on 93. He's claiming he's on 93. Both.
That M5 was 93. I guarantee that
M5 got it?
Yeah, it is on 93. No, for sure. That's his fresh from the dealer. That's his fresh.
Who's he gonna run? The Hellcat?
He got dealership tires, bro. I don't know.
Oh, where he at?
Oh no.
That's a 93. That's a 93.
No way! Oh my fucking god!
We all know, bro.